How to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. So if you want to fix the no service SIM card problem on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply first go and turn on your airplane mode for a minute. Tap and open up the airplane mode. Once you turn on your airplane mode, just wait for a minute and then turn it off. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, go with network and internet. Tap on SIM card and mobile network. Go with your SIM. Tap on preferred network type. And here you need to change your network type. And again, go with the highest network. And your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to reset your network settings. So go back and you need to go with the upper right, which has that magnifying or the search icon. And you need to search for reset network settings or just search for reset. Once you search for reset, now here you will get all of these options, right? You just need to simply go with reset options and tap on reset options. And here you will have all of your reset options. You can simply go with reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. And you need to tap on reset settings. But if you have reset network settings, you can go with reset network settings and you need to reset it. Once you've done, now the last thing you need to do is you just need to simply restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix no service SIM card problem on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.